Hello, friends. Do you have a long table that spans multiple pages? Today's tutorial shows two ways to automatically duplicate table headers across pages in Microsoft Word. I'll be using Word for Microsoft 365. These steps also apply to Word for Mac and the recent non-subscription versions of the software. These steps don't apply to Word for the web or Word for mobile. Before we begin, please note that this tutorial assumes you've already created your table. If you haven't, please see my full tutorial about creating tables, which will be linked below. Also note that these steps will only work in tables that automatically expand from one page to the next. These steps won't apply if you've manually inserted a page break into your table. To duplicate table headings across pages using the ribbon, first ensure you're in the Print Layout view. Then select the first header row and any subsequent header rows that you want to duplicate. Note that the first row of the table must be selected. Next, select the Table Layout tab. This is a contextual tab that only appears when working with tables. From there, select Repeat Header Rows in the Data group. If we select the View tab and then Multiple Pages, we can see that the header rows are now duplicated at the top of the table across multiple pages. To duplicate table headings across pages using the dialog box method, once again ensure you're in the Print Layout view. Then select the first header row and any subsequent header rows you want to duplicate. Next, right-click the selected row or rows on a PC, or Control-click the selected row or rows on a Mac, and then select Table Properties from the shortcut menu. When the Table Properties dialog box appears, select the Row tab, and then select the Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page option. Finally, select the OK button. The header rows are now duplicated at the top of the table across multiple pages. Before we close, note that if you edit the original table headers, the repeated headers will also change, but you can't edit the individual repeated headers. All the steps we've just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlists, how to use Microsoft Word, and how to use Word for Mac. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. And give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.